Let's quickly talk about the latest comment that's coming from BJP MP Nishikant Dubey in the parliament. He says tribals at one point of time were or rather constituted 36% of Jharkhand's population. He spoke of the year 2000, but he says it's come down to 10%. Instead, Bangladeshi Muslims, he says, are infiltrating, marrying tribal women. In 25 seats, Muslim population has gone up by about 123% in just 5 years. He also says he will resign if proven wrong. In fact, not too long ago, we heard it from Union Home Minister Amit Shah, remember, who pledged during his visit to Ranchi that the BJP will publish a white paper on alleged Bangladeshi infiltration into the state if the BJP is voted to power in 2024. But we first up hear it from Nishikant Dubey. Listen in.
जब संथाल परगना बिहार से अलग हुआ झारखंड, तो 2000 में आदिवासियों का पॉपुलेशन हमारे यहाँ संथाल परगना में 36% था और आज आदिवासियों का पॉपुलेशन 26%। 10% आदिवासी कहाँ गायब हो गए, कहाँ खो गए? इसके बारे में कभी भी ये सदन चिंता की बात नहीं करता है, वो वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स करता है। और जो हमारे यहाँ सरकार है, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा कांग्रेस, वो इसके ऊपर जो है कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया जा रहा है। आज क्या हो रहा है? बांग्लादेश का घुसपैठ हमारे यहाँ लगातार बढ़ रहा है। जो आदिवासी महिलाएं हैं, उनके साथ बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए शादी कर रही है। हिंदू और मुसलमान का सवाल नहीं है। हमारे यहाँ जो लोकसभा का चुनाव लड़ती हैं महिला, आदिवासी कोटे से लड़ती हैं, उनके पति मुसलमान हैं। जिला परिषद की जो अध्यक्षा हैं, उनके पति मुसलमान हैं। मुखिया जो आदिवासी होते हैं, और ये टोटल जो है आप समझे हमारे यहाँ 100 आदिवासी मुखिया है जो आदिवासी के नाम पर है और उसके पति जो है सभी के सभी मुसलमान हैं। हमारे यहाँ अभी विधानसभा का चुनाव हुआ, अध्यक्ष महोदय, 123% तक यहाँ सभी लोग चुनाव लड़कर आए हैं। प्रत्येक 5 साल में 15 से 17% पॉपुलेशन बढ़ता है या वोटर बढ़ता है। हमारे यहाँ 123%। मैं जिस लोकसभा से आया उसकी एक विधानसभा मधुपुर में लगभग 267 बूथों पर 117% मुसलमानों की आबादी बढ़ गई। और पूरे आप समझिए कि टोटल जो है झारखंड में कम से कम 25 विधानसभा ऐसी है जहां 123%, 110% आबादी बढ़ी है। ये एक बड़ा चिंता का विषय है।
Let me quickly go across to Aman Sharma joining us with more. Aman, you know, Nishikant Dubey in the parliament says the population of tribals has shrunk and the population of Bangladeshi Muslims has gone up since they're infiltrating, they're marrying tribal women in the state. Given the comment that was not too long ago made by Home Minister Amit Shah and the promise made on part of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the reaction that's coming from Nishikant Dubey in the latest, safe to say that this is going to be one of the core issues going into the Jharkhand Assembly elections?
Well, it seems so that Nishikant Dubey here has set the ground for what the BJP could very strongly raise during the Jharkhand Assembly elections. If you see his speech in Parliament, essentially he's saying that tribals were 36% of Jharkhand's population in 2000, year 2000, about 2 decades ago. But today they are just 10%. And Jharkhand is a tribal state where the tribal population is down to just 10%. He is saying Bangladeshi Muslims, in fact, have infiltrated in Jharkhand. So not just West Bengal, he's saying Bangladeshi Muslims are also infiltrating into Jharkhand and marrying tribal women. That is why he's saying in 25 seats in Jharkhand, that is why Nishikant Dubey has claimed that the Muslim population has gone up by about 123% in just 5 years. And Nishikant Dubey has said he will resign, if this is proven wrong. These are very serious allegations and raising strong question marks on the Hemant Soren government that is in power in Jharkhand right now. Just a few days ago, if you remember, the Assam Chief Minister, Himanta Biswa Sarma, had also made similar comments about Assam. So this is, I think, a concerted strategy by the BJP to raise this issue across states, and especially Jharkhand, which the state is going to pose within 2 months, and where the BJP is said to be a bit on the back foot after the release of Hemant Soren from jail and becoming the Chief Minister again. Obviously, the BJP seems to have started its election campaign.
Okay, very interesting. Not to forget, all of this comes at a time that Jharkhand is going to go to polls later this year itself. So, in light of that, this kind of a statement becomes absolutely significant. Many thanks for that, Aman.